Hi everybody, this is Midnight here. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing my customized Xbox Elite Controller Series 2. I went on Xbox.com, I saw the design lab, which I also saw it on my system and everything else. And as much as I love Xbox, I wanted to get my own customized controller. This is the Series 2 customized controller, even though I do have a Series 2 already controller, but this controller is customized. It also has my gamer tag name engraved on it. And it is the color of the controller matches my Wolf's colors. So we are going to get into this unboxing. We're going to unbox this and we are going to see how this is. So and I've been waiting to do this for the longest because I wish that PlayStation and Nintendo would do something like this. I know you can buy different color controllers from PlayStation, and I know you can buy different colored Joy-Cons, but I'm talking about building your controller from the ground up. Like you can do it out Xbox, go online. But now what I just saw on Xbox, they now have a transparent on theirs. They didn't have that when I was customizing this, which I'm kind of upset over because I would have definitely got a transparent controller to actually see inside of it. But you can see that, look at it, Series 2, oh my God, look at it, it's holographic. This is really neat. As you guys can see the box, it's holographic, so let's get this box out. So do be alarmed if you do guys want to get this controller. You are going to have to wait 3 to 4 weeks because they have to customize it, they have to build it, they have to make it for you. So here we go. Customized Elite controller, and you can see this is all what it has inside of it, including the case and charger. And you're gonna say, you designed it, we built it, which I really like that. On the back of it, it says you designed it, we built it. So that's gonna be really neat. So, and I'm just gonna be really impressed with this, because I do like the Elite controller. It is really amazing. So let's get into this. Let's unbox this bad boy. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the controller, the case with the little purple symbol on it. It's really neat. Now inside of here, I believe is the charge case. Right here. Let's see. Yeah. This is my, yep. I lost my other one to my other Elite controller though, but, I believe I did lose it, but put that, can it fit back in there? Hold on for 1 sec. Okay. I did it the wrong way. This actually goes inside right here. This goes inside like that. So I'll put that back in there, and then I want to put the box back on. And I do have my original Elite box right there, but you designed it, we built it. Now, moment of truth, everybody. Moment of truth. Now we're gonna unbox my customized controller with the little tab on it. Oh, well, that came off. You can see that. And here we go. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, wow. Would you look at this? Oh, that is so neat. These are the pants that are inside of it. I believe this is the other thing that goes inside of it, but wow, look at that. My own controller. It feels a little different though. And they got my pads on the back. So this is really nice, and you can see it says Midnight Skywolf. That's my gamer tag name if you guys interested in playing. But oh, this is so nice, and you can see it matches my wolf's colors because my wolf color is he's black and he's purple, and I had that, and I was gonna have these metallically purple, but I decided to have it black because I wanted to have it black inside and out and everything else. So this is really cool. So anyway, here's the full set. I took the things out. The pads are on the back, but I probably will remove those. But now a really neat thing that I did is, like most people get all their thumbsticks the same color. I only did these purple because the reason why I did that, because if I want to take these off, I can add these on, and then it gives it off a black look, which, that way, whatever, how I feel, if I want these, if I want to like change the color on these, then I can like switch it out to where these two are purple. But that's just something I wanted to do to give it a more different dynamic color. So, and I'll put these back on. I cannot wait to customize and game with this controller. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will be doing a review on my customized controller. And also, if you subscribe to the channel, please do subscribe and comment, like, share. Become a Patreon supporter and a channel member, and there's huge perks in that, like you get your name at the end of the video when I post it. Also, go follow me on TikTok. I do post videos on TikTok. I'm posting them both here and on YouTube. Go over there. And also follow me on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, Blue Sky. And may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Remember, everybody, wolves are worth saving. Okay, everyone, bye. Are you an extreme wolf lover like myself? And if you are, I highly recommend you come and support the Wolf Conservation Center. They have Wolves Are Worth Saving on their website. That's where I usually get it from my YouTube channel. They have programs, events, meet our wolves, learn about the Wolf Conservation Center, Save Our Wolves. They have the store, donate, adopt a wolf. So if you truly love wolves as much as I do, then I highly recommend you come and you support the Wolf Conservation Center, because remember, wolves are worth saving.